Hello my crochet friend, and welcome back to another Quiet Crochet Friday with me. I'm Sandra from Sandra Stitches, and you're here for some crochet goodness. Every Friday I upload a new video of a Quiet Crochet Friday where I just sit down with my current project. I will tell you what am I working on. Sometimes I have my glass of water. I don't have it now. And because I'm not a coffee girl, so I have my glass of water, and we just sit here and crochet quietly. I put some music, I tell you some stories about what's going on in my life or what's going on around here, just minimal. So I created this space because I know we need sometimes to concentrate and be in the moment of the crochet. We have such hectic lives and we need a break. So this is your break. You can put this video while you're crocheting and just, maybe you just need a companion, somebody to be working with, somebody to hear the voice. I know sometimes it gets very lonely. So this is the perfect place, the perfect space that I've created so that we can, rest a little bit. So bring your current project, whatever that is, it doesn't really matter, and crochet with me. So what I'm working on is a crochet along that we are having in the channel. It's the blanket, the stitch sampler blanket, and I am working on the border. Now, I don't know when this video will go live. Maybe it will go live before the border video will go live. So it doesn't really matter. I'm just working on, because I work on things simultaneously on both, and I usually schedule ahead of time. So now I'm working on videos for July, and today is still May, I think 29th. So yeah, it doesn't matter. It's just the project that I'm working on. I'm not going to say much about it. It's just a project. So let's just crochet a little bit together. I'm trying to put different music on different videos because you have requests of kinds of music that you like in the videos. So I'm trying to alternate and find more royalty-free music that I can use on the videos so I don't get in trouble, Tell me in the comments what is your project and what are you working on. If you want to share anything in the comments, it's going to be lovely because it's just me here. I read all the comments. What's this? I read everything because it's just me here. I don't have a team, I don't have a crew. I run all this business alone, so you don't have to worry that I won't see your comment or something. I see all comments, and I really love your comments, so because I want to connect, right? It's curling a little bit. Why? Now, as you know, I live in Israel, and I was supposed to travel in, when was it? A few months ago. I was supposed to travel to New Zealand to visit my daughter and my grandchildren. They moved there for a year or maybe 2 years. She is a doctor and she's doing residency there. So, but because of the war with Iran, all flights were canceled, which was devastating, right? Because I miss my grandchildren and of course my daughter and her husband so much, but we couldn't fly, so the flights were all canceled, and we waited and waited, and this morning I booked new flights, so for September, October. So fingers crossed that this flight that we will be able to fly, because if not, it's going to be really, really sad. They are in New Zealand since February. I haven't seen them since December because they traveled a little bit before they arrived to Auckland. So yeah, it's almost 6 months, and it's a long time that I haven't seen my grandchildren. Miss them so much. We talk via, WhatsApp, FaceTime or WhatsApp video a lot, but it's not the same. So I hope the flights will be okay and that we'll go there. It's a very, very long flight. It's going to be around 24 or 25 hours because we have to fly from Tel Aviv to Dubai and then from Dubai to Auckland directly. Long flight. So I'm very happy that I have the flight confirmations already, and even if it's not now, it will take a few months, but I'm happy. By the way, if you want to follow this crochet along that I'm working on now, there is a playlist in the channel, and you're more than welcome. You can join whenever you want. This is my first time doing a crochet along a blanket. I'm not a blanket girl, and this is the first time. It's not my first blanket design, but it's my first crochet along blanket. Yeah, 12 sections. It's been a ride, but I enjoyed it. It was okay. What is really important is that you subscribe and also hit the notification bell, because I got a message from YouTube that most people that are subscribed to my channel did not hit the notification bell. So when you do that, you just get notified every time I upload a video. And that's important because we have lots of videos going on. We have Mondays, the crochet along, and after the blanket, I have a new series that I'm working on. it's not going to be a crochet along, but it's going to be a different series, but a series of videos. On Wednesday, we have the tutorial, the main video of the week, a tutorial of some sort. And Fridays, we have the quiet crochet time. So if you hit the notification bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video, which is important, and also it helps my channel. So if you're already subscribed, just hit the notification bell. And if you're not subscribed and this is your first time, please consider subscribing if you're liking my videos. It's Friday morning now, and usually on Fridays since my grandchildren are not here, and I used to cook for Friday dinners when everybody was here, and they used to come for Friday dinners, for family Friday dinners, but now they're not here. So we usually go out on Fridays and explore different restaurants, different areas of our city, go to museums or galleries, or, explore the city. We take advantage that now it's a relatively quiet time here, and we can explore a little bit, go out. So today, I think there is a festival going on in my city with lots of galleries and special artists, and we'll see what we're going to attend. And I saw there is not new, but we haven't been there, a Greek restaurant that we want to try. So maybe we'll go to have late lunch there. We'll see. Usually these Quiet Crochet Friday videos are about 15 minutes, not long, because I know your time is precious, and but I think a quiet rest to crochet together is fun, is good. Even for me, filming this gives me the time to sit down and crochet for 15-20 minutes, in front of the camera anyway, but I don't mind that. Just chatting a little bit. I would love to hear from you what you think about these videos. If you want me to continue making them every Friday. We already have, I think, about 2 months or maybe 3 months of each Friday, so in the playlist. So I would love to hear from you what you think about them. If you follow them, if you want me to continue them, if you want me to tell you things during or just zip it and keep quiet and just crochet, just tell me what you think about it. I'm open to many suggestions. I will just finish this side. These are long sides. I'm working on the border and they're long sides, long rounds. All right, coming to an end here. So we'll wrap this video up. Let me finish this side. Lots of stitches. All right, so this was our Quiet Crochet Friday video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you took a quiet time, a little break, 15 minutes break from whatever you're doing and sat down with your project and crocheted with me. I would love to hear from you, so leave a comment. It does help my channel. I'm trying to grow it. And I just want to hear from you, all right? So have a great week, and I will see you next Friday. Bye-bye.